Good morning, today is February 25th, 2023, and today's refinishing project is located in Lafayette, California. Alright, so today in Lafayette, we're going to be refinishing this cast iron standard size bathtub. It's been previously refinished years ago, and it needs to be fully stripped and prepped and refinished. As you can see, I'm in the process of stripping the bathtub. So the first thing you need to do is strip the old coating off the bathtub, get it back to the bare surface right here, and start from scratch with the prepping. Thoroughly clean, sand. If there's any other surprises underneath, like chips, repair those, and then fully prep, and then prime and refinish. Depending on how difficult the strip is, usually these bathtubs take roughly 6 to 8 hours to complete with the stripping. So this is a job for today in Lafayette, California, and we'll follow up once the tub is complete. Thanks for watching. All right, so the bathtub's complete here in Lafayette, California. Let's take a closer look. So this tub was refinished before a long time ago, and we had to strip off the old coating and from there prep it out, mask everything off, prime it, and then coat it. Just finished up the caulking on this one. Usually we'll caulk the bathtubs if it's like a 1/4 of an inch gap. If it's a super big gap, it's best to deal with that once it's fully dry. All right, there we go. The cast iron bathtub here in Lafayette, California. So if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.